200 videos in a 200 days almost, and it's not so easy. Hey everyone, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. And in this particular video, basically, first of all, I'm gonna say thank you so much to all of you, because today I'm going to complete my 200th video on the Facebook VIP group. And if you talk about YouTube, then it will be maybe like 163 or 167 kind of video, because I have recorded so many video on a daily basis, but I haven't put down that kind of video on YouTube. That's why there will be you can say counting is less in the YouTube, but it's good as well. So first of all, thank you so much. Literally, it's not easy, but yeah, I have improved myself a lot. 200 days, you know what, more than 6 months. So basically, let me tell you what we are going to talk about in this particular video. We're going to talk about that YouTube versus TikTok, and I'm going to show you that the kind of views and the kind of people are putting down the content related to YouTube versus TikTok, and kind of why they just think about that. If I put down such kind of content, then I am got viral. Why? Because this is a trending kind of thing, and even a lot of people are made, and some of our got some good kind of views as well. But I'm not going to talk about that views and kind of thing. Literally, I'll say one thing, and if people are focusing upon that ना, उनको देन कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ रहा कि कौन क्या बोल रहा है और क्या बोल रहा है. लाइक इफ़ आई थिंक अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर गोइंग थ्रू कैरी मिनाटी वीडियो, बट मैं नहीं देखता सर, और आई हैवंट गॉन थ्रू दैट पर्टिकुलर वीडियो. या आई वॉच टेक्निकल गुरुजी वीडियो. इन रिसेंट वीडियो ही है जस्ट पोस्टेड दैट उन्होंने क्या करा कि मतलब जितने सारे 15-20 फ़ोन थे सारे वहाँ से टिकटॉक को इंस्टॉल करा. सो द मोटिव फॉर दैट, आई डोंट नो व्हाई ही डिड दैट, एंड व्हाट आर द परसेप्शन इन द पीपल, the people have in their mind related to TikTok and YouTube. See, I don't say which is good or which is bad, because a lot of people say that TikTok is bad, TikTok is good, YouTube is bad, YouTube is good. I don't say anything. You know what? I say only one thing, that is all about self-awareness. If you're not self-aware ना, फिर आप समझो कि आप कहाँ जा रहे हो, you never know. Because see, nowadays what will be happening actually, हम क्या हो रहा है कि अगर कोई बहुत अच्छा खासा पर्सनालिटी और यूट्यूबर वट एवर द पर्सन इज जस्ट वो कुछ डाल दे रहे हैं, वी डोंट नो व्हाई ही और शी इज़ डूइंग, मे बी बिकॉज ऑफ देयर माइंड सेट एंड वट एवर द थिंग दैट दे हैव, दे जस्ट पुट इट डाउन. और हम क्या या तो इन्फ्लुएंस हो जा रहे हैं उनकी बातों से, या उनकी बातें अच्छी लग जा रही है, उनका कंटेंट अच्छा लग रहा है, वी गॉट इन्फ्लुएंस एंड विल स्टार्ट टेकिंग एक्शन, सेम काइंड ऑफ थिंग. वी जस्ट स्टॉप थिंकिंग, and this is the biggest mistake people are doing actually. See, TikTok is good, TikTok is bad, both. It's dependent to person, that if you're talking about, then TikTok is good for those you have to tell about. TikTok is bad for those. किसके लिए सही है भाई, किसके लिए नहीं है, and for that purpose you have to be self-aware. I have seen a lot of people who have just a very few YouTube subscriber and even Instagram follower, and they start creating content on a TikTok, and they converted their follower on a YouTube and Instagram, and nowadays they have a lot more Instagram or YouTube follower. So they just redirected their follower from TikTok to Instagram and YouTube, because there is also some good kind of content they are producing. But right now on a TikTok there is a huge organic growth, that's why they converted that kind of thing. But the people like me, not like me, the people who are not like me, are definitely not like me, the people just consuming the TikTok content for like dancing kind of thing and for the masti kind of thing, they should have to taken care of their mind. भाई साहब, आपका दिमाग जो है सिर्फ एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए नहीं बना है, एंड इफ यू आर यूजिंग योर टिकटॉक for very less kind of time for your refreshing kind of thing, that's good. But if you are binge watching, that's literally not good. And for creators, it's like, that's good. If creators using for conversion their you can say businesses to grow their businesses, that's great. Right now we don't have to pay money on a TikTok, then why why we cannot leverage our business on a YouTube or Instagram? Why we cannot do that? So my simple thing is that good or bad is all about that the perception of the people and which people we are talking about. So for that purpose we have to be self-aware, more and more self-aware. We don't have to be influenced by some people. Right now if I'm talking about that, see, अगर मैं ये बोलूँ कि TikTok is good and some people say that, oh, Vishal is saying that TikTok is good, then that's right, he's talking good thing. And if I say that, yeah, TikTok is bad, then people get influenced and that, okay, Vishal is saying that TikTok is bad, that's why I have to say that, okay, TikTok is bad. No, I don't say that kind of thing. I just say, if I say that this is good, then I have some kind of perception on the basis of that I am telling that. Maybe that is suited for you, maybe that is not suited for you. So you have to be self-aware, and this is the lagging, I mean, in what I say that most of the people are not self-aware. They just get influenced by some person and they just think about, oh my god, he is talking about that kind of thing, I mean, he's right. Then why you're not using your brain? I mean, this is the very simple question to all the people who just get influenced by the, maybe we can say that technical Guruji or Carrie Minati or anyone, and just take that action that, oh my god, he is saying that TikTok is bad. Okay, then TikTok is bad. I'm not talking about that country level, that kind of thing I don't want you to talk about, because there are a lot of things actually. But normally thing is that we have to be self-aware, even not for TikTok. In coming future there are a lot of platforms that comes, maybe any kind of tire kind of thing, kursi kind of thing, chair kind of thing, anything. At that time maybe there some people are just standing and doing any kind of facial expression, and I mean anything. But at that platform as well, you have to be self-aware that is it good for you or not. Maybe this is good for you, maybe not, but you have to be self-aware. This is the main motive of that particular video. I don't blame anyone, maybe a big YouTuber, any kind of person, because they say through their mindset, their perception, and you are consuming that content and you are thinking like that, then maybe right, maybe wrong. So be self-aware. Don't think like that, yes, TikTok sahi hai, kharab hai, kya hai, whatever. Okay, because I mean, you can leverage your audience from there as well, right? TikTok बंद हो जाए, कुछ भी हो जाए, we don't care actually. But once you have made your brand there, then you can actually leverage the kind of audience from on your YouTube, on your Instagram, on your Facebook. That's it. So that is this very simple message to all of you. I hope you got the value. So if you got the value from this video, please share this video to other people so that they get benefited as well. And thank you so much for each and everyone to be here and watching this video, till the end. And as always, keep smiling and be happy, and thank you very much.